Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix iPhone showing no internet connection when try to connect any Wi-Fi. As you can see, this iPhone right now connected with a Wi-Fi network, and this time it's showing no internet connection. So if you're also facing this kind of issue, in this video I will show you how you can fix that issue. Firstly, move to the first solution. The first solution is select the Wi-Fi detail. You can see appears on screen here are showing. Just tap on forget password. Okay, sorry, forget this network and tap on forget. After that, you need to rejoin that network again. Okay, turn off Wi-Fi and then turn it on after 5 to 10 seconds. Okay, and try to rejoin that network. Okay, enter that network password. Wi-Fi that's showing no internet connection. Okay, tap on join. Wait for a few seconds, it will join right now. Now you can see a personal screen is showing again no internet connection. Okay, now move to the next solution. The next solution is turn on again Wi-Fi after turning off. Just turn off and then on again. You can see a personal screen. This time Wi-Fi working well and there is no showing internet error that was showing in last time. Just select any website to check the internet connection. You can see a personal screen is showing and working well right now. Okay, if that method not working for you, then move to the next solution. The next solution is open iPhone settings again. Okay, tap on general, scroll down again and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Okay, tap on reset and reset network setting and apply it on your iPhone. So friends, by do 2 to 3 simple steps, you can easily fix that your iPhone Wi-Fi showing no internet connection. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.